YouTube, this is Chain Reaction Airsoft with another shooting test. Today we're gonna shoot the cyma RPK at 100. We're gonna shoot it at 3 different targets: 100 feet, 125 feet, and 150 feet. With .20 gram BBs and a 9.6 battery in it. Let's get started.
Oh, you hit the first one. Yes. Yes.
Automatic.
Full auto.
Now for the 125 foot.
Hit. Hit. Hit.
Now for automatic. Now for the 150 feet.
Hit. 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 Oh, miss. Hit.
Automatic.
Automatic. These BBs are hitting me.
Yeah, we're out of battery.
The battery's almost dead.
Yeah, it's done.
By the way, check out our shooting test, or this is a shooting test. Check out our chrono and our review of this gun. So, yeah, this is the, this is what it did at the 100-foot target.
This gun has to hop up really high. We haven't really messed with it because it's our dad's and we're not messing with it. But the hop up is really high. I don't know why he shoots like that, but he does.
It's because he don't aim. He just shoots. This is the 125-foot target. Did pretty good on this one too. Can't really, yeah.
Saw the dents.
Yeah. They try to get some light in it. There, you can kind of see them now. Yep. And the phone's ringing. And then this one surprisingly did alright. This gun really does reach out there over 200 feet.
Yeah, when the battery's charged.
Yeah, when the battery's charged. And like he said, we hadn't really had the chance to really use this gun that much because it is our dad's. So the way he plays is a little bit different than us. So, yeah.
Alright. Check out our other videos. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.